Hello everyone, I'm Sandhyashri. My daughter Thazhini has solved 174 puzzles which consist of 679 blocks within 45 minutes. We are so happy and proud of her. First day I taught her how to solve the puzzle. From day 2 she started solving it on her own. That's why we have introduced puzzles to her. So now we are so happy that we recognized her talent. Thank you so much International Book of Records for giving kids such and wonderful opportunities to showcase their talents.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646 803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.
I'm Simple Quatra. I'm Mrs. India 2014. By profession, I'm architect and interior designer. This prestigious sash which I'm wearing today and the crown which I'm wearing today is the second one. I'm very thankful to International Book of Records for acknowledging my efforts, my hard work, my achievements, and bestowing me with this great award of Apt Women Award. And it's a very good platform for all the women who want to show to the world what they are. Be the trailblazers, frame your own rules, keep inspiring and empowering women.